Welcome to Vietlingo, learn Vietnamese your way, your dialect. My name is Thanh Huyền. I'm a Vietnamese teacher at Vietlingo. Have you ever said thu when you actually mean thư? Just one tiny lip move and boom, their meaning changes completely. Don't worry, you're not alone. In this lesson, I'll help you master the difference between u and ư, two Vietnamese vowels that sound close but not the same. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to shape your lips, how to hear the difference, and how to use this sound naturally in real sentences. Let's start with how to pronounce each vowel. For U, your lips should be rounded and pushed forward like you're about to blow through a straw, or say the English U in zoo. Your tongue stay high and pull slightly towards the back of your mouth. Try it with me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now for it's totally different. Keep your lips flat and relaxed, not rounded. It's like you're saying, but like your mouth almost closed. Your tongue is also high and back, but the lips don't move forward. Let's do it slowly. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You can feel the difference. U use a small, round mouth, while use a wider, flatter mouth. Try alternating with me. U, 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 u. Good. You're already halfway there. Now that you understand the mouth shape, let's practice with real Vietnamese words that use the vowel. First, words with U. Thu, thủ, tu, tủ, muội, mùa, ngủ, cú, dù, chú. Now words with ư, thư, sư, cư, bức, cứ, từ, dự, giữ, chứng, thực, thức. As you repeat, focus on what your lips are doing. When you say words with u, make your lips round like a small circle. When you say word with flatten your lips and feel the sound come from deeper inside your mouth. Let's do a few pairs together. Thu, thư, su, sư, mu, mơ, cu, cư. Hear that? One tiny difference changes everything. Now let's compare some common pairs where u and completely change the meaning of a word. When you say thu, it means to collect, but thư means a letter. Bút means pen, while bức means a picture or urgent. Cũ means old, but cữ means to avoid doing something, like avoiding food. Let's practice together slowly first. Thu, thư, bút, bức, ngủ, ngữ. Now faster, like a native speaker. Thu, thư, thu, thư. Bút, bức, bút, bức. Ngủ, ngữ, ngủ, ngữ. Notice how your lip change each time. Rounded for u, flat for ư. That's the key to perfect pronunciation. Now let's put those vowels into real sentence. Repeat after me, slowly and clearly. Chú Tú viết bức thư cho cô Thu. Bé Phú chạy ù ra ngã tư. Con Cú khóc hu hu. Bà Tư ôm khư khư cái túi. Sư tử quá dữ. Focus on the vowels. Feel your lips change from round to flat as you move from thu to thư or from cú to cừ. If you exaggerate now, it will sound natural later. Alright, it's quiz time. I'll say a word. You decide it if it has u or ư. Ready? Một, thu. Hai, thư. Ba, bức. Bốn, bút. Năm, cừ. Sáu, cu. Bảy, sư. How many did you get right? If you got them all, awesome job. If not, just replay this part and focus on your lip shape. Now you can confidently pronounce the difference between u and ư. Remember three key things. First, u is made with round lips, like saying u. Second, ư is made with flat lips, almost closed. And third, practice them in pairs every day so your ears and mouth get used to the contrast. If you keep practicing, these sounds will feel completely natural. Thanks for watching today's video. If you want to master authentic Northern Vietnamese pronunciation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you in the next lesson. Hẹn gặp lại nha!
That's the end of today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching and learning Vietnamese with us. If you'd like to experience our teaching style in person, we'd love to invite you to a 30-minute free trial lesson with one of our experienced Vietlingo teachers. Just scan the QR code and book your spot. We've helped thousands of learners around the world speak Vietnamese with confidence, and we can help you too.